about the new destination in Europe, Poland, 2026. If you live in the United States, the United Kingdom, or another developed country, Poland may not be the first place you think about when you consider relocating to Europe. But this is exactly why you should pay attention. Poland is becoming one of the most interesting European options for entrepreneurs, investors, and high-net-worth families who are looking for safety, quality of life, economic growth, and more strategic tax environment. Poland is climbing the ranking of safe countries and countries with strong economic growth. According to a British report by the UK Office for National Statistics, the number of people born in the United Kingdom and living in Poland has increased fourfold over the last 10 years. The trends are flipping and Poland is becoming an emerging European hotspot. Hi, if you are looking for a safe place for yourself and your family, or you are wondering where to buy a second home, you are in the right place. I'm Dr. Panasiuk, and I am private wealth advisor helping high net worth individuals with international relocation and wealth protection. Subscribe to my channel and stay up to date. Why are more internationally mobile families and investors looking at Poland today? First, the quality of life relative to cost of living. Compared to many Western European countries, Poland still offers an excellent quality of life. This applies across the board. Family life, services, education, dining, healthcare, access to major cities, and infrastructure. In the Global Peace Index 2026, Poland recorded the largest country-level improvement, with its overall score rising 23 places. Today, Poland has 22nd place globally. To put that in perspective, the United States deteriorated by 4 places, mainly due to an increase in political instability, and is now ranked 134th on the index. The UK went down to 39th place. For many families, this combination matters. Poland offers safety, a high standard of living, and still relatively lower cost compared to much of Western Europe. And second, economic ascent. Poland is one of the most compelling examples of economic advancement in Europe. The OECD has noted that living standards in Poland have risen significantly over past 2 decades, with GDP per capita doubling since 2005. For years, Poland was catching up to the West. Today, Poland has become the destination for those who want to do business. Poland has officially entered the ranks of the world's 20th largest economies by nominal GDP, surpassing Switzerland, with annual output exceeding $1 trillion. And here's a shocking number. Over the last decade, the number of millionaires in Poland grew by 82%. In the US, over the same period, the figure was 78%. The only countries ahead of Poland in that growth ranking are Malta, the United Arab Emirates, and Montenegro. Of course, in absolute numbers, the US remain number 1, but the trend is undeniable. Eastern Europe is now leading the world in terms of wealth growth dynamics. Third, cities and infrastructure. Warsaw, Krakow, Wrocław, Gdańsk, and Poznań are today modern, thriving European hubs. They offer access to business networks, education, culture, restaurant, airports, world-class infrastructure, and genuinely international way of life. Poland has become a high-value alternative that delivers both quality of life and business momentum. Poles work hard, and the results are increasingly visible in rising prosperity and a strong, capable society. And the fourth, solution for wealthy and internationally mobile individuals. Poland doesn't have a classic golden visa, meaning there is no program built around passive investment in real estate or government bonds. What Poland does offer are very attractive tax residency programs for those who want to settle here. You can choose the lump sum if you are moving to Poland, This tax regime gives you exemption from taxes. You do not pay income tax on income earned outside Poland, including on profits from cryptocurrencies. You pay only a lump sum of 200,000 Polish zlotych, approximately 46,000 euro, regardless of the actual amount of foreign income earned. Who is Poland for? For entrepreneurs, investors, international families, and high net worth individuals looking for a new home base in Europe, Poland will be a genuinely compelling option. If you want to understand how Poland may work for high net worth individuals, download our brochure on the tax advantages and relocation opportunities to Poland. And if you would like to learn more, reach out. I'm here to help.